different exercises that I did for the hinge drill were the PVC drill, the glute bridge and the single leg glute bridge, and the hip thrusts. And for the PVC drill, it's 3 points of contact, and that is at your head, that is at your spine, your thoracic spine, and your sacrum. For the PVC drill, it targets the hamstrings. Glute bridge and single leg glute bridge targets your glutes, of course, and coaching is to say push your hips up to the sky. And for hip thrusts, they target the glutes, the glute maximus and medius to be specific, and the hamstrings. And coaching cue is to make a double chin.